In this video, I will explain load balancer, why we need load balancer and how to configure load balancer. First of all, why we need load balancer. Let's say you have a web server 1, and if your traffic increase more and more, then you need 2 web server and you put 1 load balancer so that your web server handle request one by one. And how it's work, let's say one user coming here, if in case load balancer is not there, your users come there to system 1 or web server 1, or sometime they come here web server 2. But if in case all the users come here, land on this web server, then maybe due to the high load it crash or get shut down or some other issue. That's why we need load balancer. Load balancer do simple thing. If someone requests to your load balancer, not web server, we expose IP address of load balancer, and then load balancer send request to web server 1, then next request to web server 2, then web server 1 and 2, something like this. And this way load balance our load and our web server working fine. Let's start with the demo. Go to AWS console. First launch some EC2 instance. Okay, I'm going to launch to Amazon Linux. Then select T2 micro, and here we put in default VPC, availability zone 1A, enable IP address. Go to next step. We need 2 GB. Okay, add tag 8 GB minimum. Good, 8 GB. Add tags, adding tags right now, and allow only. Let's say all traffic for now, and launch. I'm attaching one key in case my server gets any error. It will take some time. Go to instance, then create one more instance. Use this Excel. I think there is one option. Launch more like this. You can put one more instance similar to the first one. And just if I go to choose AMI, not choose AMI, go here and I want to update the script if it has HTTP. This option with this, and also the IP of the system, ifconfig, add storage, go over 3 and launch one more. Launch instance. Now the actual magic happen. It's not pending state in Virginia region. Click IP. pivot output when our instance get ready. Instance running, it's still initializing. Let's go for the load balancer. Go to load balancer. I'm going with classic load balancer. Load balancer. That's the classic load balancer. Previous generation classic load balancer. HTTP port number 8080. Default PVC. Not PVC, VPC. Security group. Okay, load balancer name CLP1. Classic load balancer 1. Security group default. Okay, and this is our health check. If load balancer get this file on port number 80 and this file, then it seems our web server is working fine. And if it's not getting any response, then after some second it will deregister our instance. Okay, and I have two instances. Let's say connect both, or you can go with 1, 2, any. Okay, tags, not giving any tag, and create. It give us one IP, whether it's okay, it's working, and there is no welcome message. As we know, we had only one message. Go to CLB. This is our classic load balancer. DNS name. This is our load balancer name. We can access both the system with this IP on port number 8080. Yes. 8080. Still not coming. Maybe it's health checking. Health check. Listeners 8080 instances. Status unknown. Okay, we have to wait some time. In service, now they are in service, both the instance. See what happened. Still no response. To connect again. Port number 80. There is some error. Maybe due to security group. Security group, yes. Edit security group. The default security group this is using. Go with the security group that we added in. Let's say this also. Maybe we have all the traffic allowed in this security group, and now it's working. It's landed to our instance 1, and then again see what happens if I use same URL incognito, because my browser remember the IP address. And now this is the second instance. If we try once more, first instance, then second, then first, then second. And if you, due to some reason, you want to allow only one instance, then just remove from here. Yes,